In this video tutorial, we'll show you how to encrypt your computer with BestCrypt. BestCrypt Volume Encryption is a unique tool for superior whole disk encryption. With BestCrypt, you can encrypt old MS-DOS-style partitions residing on multiple physical disk devices. For example, spanned, striped, mirrored, or RAID5 volumes. It also supports MBR and GPT partitions. In this video, we will show you how to encrypt a volume while showcasing new features in version 5, the simple interface to encrypt in just one click, new encryption algorithms, Camellia, Encrypt, and ZXCVBN, and two-factor authentication with YubiKey. The latest version of BestCrypt Volume Encryption also includes the following features: two-factor authentication with SafeNet e-tokens, single sign-on, and traveler mode disk. Open BestCrypt Volume Encryption. Click Run as administrator. You will be asked for elevation. Click Yes. BestCrypt now presents a simple and easy interface for basic users. To quickly encrypt your system, click Encrypt Computer. Here, you can select an encryption algorithm and choose a password. BestCrypt now offers the Camellia encryption algorithm with 256-bit key and the Encrypt algorithm to derive the key from your password. The ZXCVBN algorithm is also added to estimate the strength of your password. Before encrypting our system, we'll explore the advanced mode. Click Switch to Advanced Mode. BestCrypt version 5 has introduced the use of new hardware tokens with YubiKey, in addition to the existing SafeNet tokens. To encrypt using a YubiKey, plug in the YubiKey, right-click on the system volume, and select Encrypt Volume. In the encryption settings window, check the option to use removable device to store encryption key. Now you can select the YubiKey from the drop-down menu. You can also use a simple flash drive to store the encryption key using this feature. Choose a password. You will be asked for this password every time you turn on your computer. Start the encryption process by clicking Encrypt. Move your mouse around inside this window or type anywhere on the keyboard to generate random data for the encryption key. The encryption process has started now. The time to the encryption process depends on the size of your volume and the hardware setup. You can always stop the encryption process in the middle and continue later on. When you have other volumes, please remember to encrypt them as well for complete protection. Just repeat the same process. When the process completes or is stopped in the middle, you will be prompted to make a rescue USB or ISO. Please don't ignore this message. We strongly recommend going through the process to prepare your rescue disk and keep updating it whenever prompted. When you reboot, you will see an authentication screen. Type the password you chose earlier and press Enter. Congratulations! You've successfully encrypted your boot volume with BestCrypt. Thank you for watching. We hope you will be satisfied with our software.